So this is the Montra Blues 1.1 model, a hybrid cycle from Montra Blues 1.1. That's the Blues brand and the 1.1. So my friend has bought this in 2016 and he's been using it for the past 2 years. That's how the cycle looks. Very smart looking cycle, nice graphics. 21 gears, 7 at the rear Shimano Altus at the back, as you can see, and then you have a Torney derailleur in the front. You also have metallic pedals, so that's a good plus point for durability. You also have front suspension in the Blues 1.1, but this is not lockable, so you cannot lock the suspension. Brakes are normal V brakes, no disc brakes here. The tires are 700 by 35C. Quite grippy tires, not very thick or not very thin. They're slightly thicker than the 700 by 32 tires you normally get on hybrid. The same 700 by 35C in the front. You have quick release in the front for the front tires as well as the back tires. Quick release here also. The stand is not part of the bike. That's an extra fitment. Wiring is all external, as you can see. There's no internal wiring here. You have again 2 mounts for your water bottles. That's a plus point for long rides. The handle, this is how the handlebar looks like. Good grips. These are standard grips which came in 2016. Montra still has this model in 2019 and 18. It retails for around 21,000 rupees. That's the current price, 21,000 rupees. XMR handlebar. And that's the brakes, normal V brakes, no hydraulic brakes here. My friend is using a gel seat here, very comfy on long rides, and the standard seat is also pretty decent. You also have a quick release for the seat. Most of Montra cycles have a quick release for the seat as well. And my friend has had a good experience with the cycle, no issues. He's taken it for long rides and he has been very happy with the Montra Blues 1.1. But this is a 2016 model. Yes, the 2018 2019 model are also there now available. They have a similar setup and retailing for around 21,000 rupees, and I expect them to be also of the same quality as this 2016 model. That's it. Thank you.